mag-hi sa ating mga nakapanood ng first and pilot episode ng The Alibi. Okay.
Maybe starting from Robbie, that side please.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Robbie. I play Edward Cabrera. Salamat, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyong lahat dito. It was such an honor for me to be a part of this teleserye. It's my first acting experience and I couldn't ask for any more. So it's been such a blessing to be a part of this cast, a part of this crew, to learn under these wonderful directors and writers under Dreamscape. And yeah, I hope you guys continue to watch the show kasi madami pong pasabog tong teleseryeng ito. Thank you.
Please pass the mic, thank you.
Hello po everyone, I'm Angelina Cruz as Catherine Rose Morales, kapatid po ni Ate Kim Chu. Salamat po sa pagpunta dito. Sana na-enjoy nyo and I'm excited for you guys to see what comes out next.
Ako po si Romnick Sarmenta sa papel na Andres Bonifacio. Hindi, Andres Tolentino. Andres Tolentino. Inspector Andres Tolentino. Again, I'm just blessed to be part of this project. Side note, I'm working with second generation of people I used to work with. I used to work with her mom and his mom. And it's just fun seeing them at work also. And again, sila for the second time also. And sila Direk Lona. It's just a great blessing to be around creative people. So thank you for staying, and I hope you continue to support the project.
Sophia?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. At salamat po sa pag-join sa amin tonight. And syempre nagpapasalamat po ako sa Dreamscape, sa ABS-CBN and Point Prime. That I get to work with people I really look up to. I'm just so lucky na I'm so considered as a kontrabida. Syempre, ang lalaking artista ng mga kasama ko, so parang the pressure is real. But I was able to learn from them, and I'm just so proud to be part of something big. Yeah.
Sam? Sorry, Links. Getting to see her, I was like, hi everyone. Sorry. Thank you guys all for coming. It's such a blessing to be a part of this amazing project. As you can see, the first episode pa lang, grabe yung impact. And even though my role here is a bit short-lived, I'm still present somehow in this series, and my role plays such a pivotal, yes, it's very pivotal in this cuento. So I'm very blessed to be part of this.
Hi everyone, I'm Rafael Rosel. Team ng Matthew Cabrera. Just super thankful and grateful to Dreamscape and ABS-CBN, of course Prime Video, for being given this opportunity. What you saw today is just the tip of the iceberg. It goes way, way deeper, and sobrang excited kaming lahat na mapanood nyo yung totality ng show. As in, kami nga rin sa set when we read the script, we're like, inaabangan namin yung susunod na mangyayari. As in, sobrang excited. So, thank you so much to everyone for being here, and enjoy the rest of the show when it comes out on Prime.
Sasha Padilla as Jacqueline Cabrera. Hi! Thank you all very much for being here. Ang dami-dami ko nang nasalihan na teleserye, pero nung napanood ko to, sabi ko, sobra, iba, kakaiba siya. At yung character development ng bawat isa, abangan nyo yan. Kasi wala pa kayo masyadong nakikita, parang patikim pa lang. Napakarami pa pong mangyayari. So sana kapitan nyo talaga yung aming teleserye. Napakaganda. At proud na proud ako na makatrabaho lahat. At even at my kahit matagal na ako sa showbiz, ang dami ko pa pong natututunan sa aking mga kasamahan. At one of my favorite partners now, napakahusay niya, John. Inintroduce na kita eh, John Arcilia.
Akin na lang itong mic na para sumayo po ako, walang nakukuha. Anyway, I'm sorry. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. And, nakita niyo naman siguro, I am so proud to be part of this cast kasi sobrang nailabak sa lahat, sa buong cast. especially sa Kimbao. No, sila sila yung isa sa pinaka down to earth na stars na makakatrabaho ko ganito sa artist. And, yeah. Naku, baka may magalit po sa akin. Ano lang po to nailab ako kay Jaja Padilla. I mean, isa sa... Conrad. As a character, yes. Kasi sobrang... Jaja Padilla is not just the... hindi lang siya yung divine diva ng music industry, pero she's one of the best actresses we have in entertainment industry. So talagang sobrang para sa akin kasi dream come true yun, nakapartner ko ng mahaba si Jaja. So sobrang proud ako na naging part ako nito. Para naman ngayon na ako gumawa ng teleserye, pero kakaiba kasi talaga yung energy namin. So umpisa makita mo lang kami sa on camera na mukha kaming dysfunctional, pero kitang-kita ko, damang-dama ko yung connection ng bawat isa pagdating sa behind the scenes. So, thank you po. Thank you po for coming in. Bantayan niyo po sa November 7.
Hello, good afternoon po. Ay, salamat po sa mga nanood ng The Alibay pilot ngayon. So, lahat po nung napanood nyo ngayong episode na to, bantayan nyo po sila. Kasi habang tumatakbo po yung kwento, it will all make sense. So, thank you po.
Thank you. Alright. Direk? As myself on this one.
Kim Pao na.
Kim Pao. Alright, Kim and Pao?
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta ninyo. At sana na-enjoy niyo yung first episode namin. Tulad ng sabi nila, patikim pa lang ito. Wala pa masyadong nai-introduce at hindi pa fully or lubusan pinapakilala yung characters ng bawat artista dito. Pero I'm sure pag nasundan nyo to ng mangilang-ilang episodes pa, talagang hindi nyo na mabibitawan kada character dahil special talaga ang binibigay ng bawat artista para sa mga role nila. So again, salamat. Maraming salamat. Si Kim Chiu.
Hello po. Umuwi na po si Kim Chiu. Si Stella po ito. Stella sa umaga, alegria sa gabi. Maraming salamat po sa nag-enjoy ba kayo? Nabitin po ba kayo? Yes, download the Prime app, 149 pesos lang. Nagbenta! So yun po, every Friday, 2 episodes. Yun lang. Hindi ko na ipapaliwanag yung character ko, parang nakita niyo na ata lahat. No? Oo,
Para sa Team Live.
para sa Team Live, yes. Sabi nga, I gave my all. Sana kayo din. Sana mas madami ang makakita ng masterpiece na ito dahil group effort po talaga ito. Simula po sa mga nagsulat, nagdirect, umarte, nag-ilaw, nag-camera, nag-art dep and everything. This is a masterpiece po talaga dahil hindi po madaling gumawa ng ganitong klaseng drama na suspense, thrill, romance, drama. Kompletos recados po kami, kaya I'm very proud to be part of this big project. Thank you.
Once again, the cast of The Alibi. Hi.
Oh, Mix, it's amazing in this VideoCon. All those watching online, sana spread how the chemistry, ngayon pa lang, we can tell that this is a great show. How they support each other, how they lift each other up. Diba, yung mga haligi ng ating industriya naririto sa ating harapan ngayong gabi. At from the making to their statements, ba't kayo natatawa? You're making. Totoo naman, diba?
Super haligi, pero
Oo, and compliment yon. But anyway, let's proceed to the questions that we had from our friends from the press. First up, we have a question from Bandera and Bulgar, from Reggie Bonoan. Ang tanong ay para kay Kim. At ang tanong ay, base sa teaser ng Alibay, ay nagpakita ka ng skin. Babasahin ko lang po siya.
As is po ito ha. As is po ha.
So, interpreter lang ako. Oo. Paano ka po na papayag dito? At hanggang saan po ang limit nyo? Dahil ba si Paolo ang partner mo po? Kaya pumayag ka? Salamat
Ako si Ate
po.
Reggie.
Kim, tagabasa lang ako. Sige, you can go.
Siguro naman as a 35 years old woman. Tapos na tayo sa 16 years old role na tini-tini. Pero favorite ko talaga mag-tini-tini, magpakatawa. Pero parang pag tinatrack ko yung journey ko dito sa industriyang to, parang nahati ko naman na siya sa teens, 20s. Sabi ko, ano mapakita ko sa aking 30s? I think it's my skin. Pero malaki talaga yung tiwala ko talaga sa Dreamscape. As in, sila talaga yung naghubog sa akin. Danica, wala na ka kayo! Hindi. Wow na! Yeah. Hala, bakit? Hindi naman siya ginawa as its artistic way. Medyo mahirap na gawin, pero ako naiyak.
Love you, Kimi.
Gusto ko lang magpakita ng bago at sa mga nagsasabing hindi ako marunong sa ganitong klaseng role. Ito na yun. So, I want to prove all of them wrong and that I can do more than what they know.
Yun lang. So, thank you talaga sa Dreamscape. And of course, si Pao din naman, malaking tulong din siya dahil kita ko naman yung respeto niya sa akin. And sa mga director namin na inaalagaan yung mga shots and yung mga cameramans namin, sa mga nag-iilaw, ang ganda ng launching ng body ko. Thank you so much. And sa nag-choreo sa akin, thank you. Sa gym trainers ko, thank you so much. Pero more than the skin, parang more than the skin, it's what's inside me and what I want to show to all my supporters. And kung kakaroon man ng bagong supporters, maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Kim. Actually, follow-up question dito for Pao. Reaction daw dito, same question. Just following up from this question from Reggie Punoan.
I don't think it's about skin or about parang it comes with the maturity of the role and what the role requires. So minsan talaga may mga character, may mga storya na gustong ikwento at sa mga ganitong paraan kailangan dahil kung nagbebenta naman talaga ng aliw yung character, ang hirap naman kung hindi mo nakikita or napapanood at hindi na ipapakita sa audience na hindi niya ginagawa yan. So it comes with also the maturity of the actress. Pero mas character-driven po ito. At kami po dito ay very very loyal and very very dedicated. How do I call it? Dedicated. Yung dedikasyon na binibigay namin sa character namin ay purely for our character. At yun nga, hindi niya totally sige, hindi ko nadadagdagan.
And of course, that's mastering the craft. Thank you so much, Kim and Pao, for answering yung buena mano natin mga katanungan. Ngayon naman po para kay Direct Jojo. Direct Jojo, ang inyong pong question is from social media. You also directed Kim Pao for Ninlang. For the Alibi, mas daring ang roles nila. How did you guide them for sexy and challenging scenes? At yung nag-workshop po ba si Kim for her role as an escort?
With the question, hindi naman siya, nasabi nga nila, it's for the maturity of the character kasi yun yung inaral nila. Hindi siya nag-workshop, pero she's very open, especially yung dance niya. Trivia, nakaschedule kasi yun kay FMR. Tapos ako sabi ko, gusto kong gawin yung role. Kaya ako na yung nag-call yun. Joke.
You lived through her.
It was my fantasy, actually. Hindi, parang alter ego ko yan. Hindi, pero nung na-schedule, parang we talked with my DOP, the Kim Pao, tapos yung nandun din si Carlina, si BUH. Makikita mo yung maturity kasi sabi ko, ito yan, ganyan. May mga reaction si Kim na, talaga ba? Ganyan. Pero she did it very well. Ang galing-galing talaga ng pagkakagawa kasi open talaga siya. It's very different from Lin Lang, story-wise and character-wise. Pero they were very open with regarding to the roles. Makikita mo talaga yung difference.
Thank you, Direk Jojo. Ngayon naman po para kay Direk Onat. Based on the trailer, very intense and high emotions ang mga scenes. Can we still expect kilig scenes from Kim Pao despite the series being heavy on mystery drama?
Actually, one thing I discovered sa unang sampa ko pa lang dun sa show na to, nung makita ko magkasama on screen yung dalawa, yung kilig talaga from Kim Pao is very innate and organic. Hindi siya tinatrabaho. In fact, una isa na parang ginawa ko sinabi ko kay Pao mismo. Sabi ko, hindi na chemistry nyo, wala pa kayong ginagawa. Pero naramdaman ko agad yung meron na feel something. So, expect that you would really root for the couple. Kasi built in naman talaga sa kanilang dalawa yun. So, yung kilig naman na makukuha nyo dito is not so much a fan-servicing kilig. Everything is done in the service of the story. At malalaman nyo kung bakit, even within the excitement and the high-octane drama and action, bakit lahat kayo ay mag-root pa rin dun sa dalawang characters to end up together. And I think that's the most rewarding kind of kilig that we can offer the viewing public.
Thank you, Direx.
Love that. Kayo naman galing kay Jay of Certified Kapamilya. This is for Kim and Milby. What was, so si Kim muna yung sasagot, what was the worst alibi that you've ever heard in your life and how did you respond? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening.
From Jay of Certified Kapamilya ito.
Worst alibi?
Tapos how did you respond?
Worst alibi? Ang sagot na, hindi ko alam. Yeah, that's super worst. Ba't mo ginawa kung hindi mo alam? Tapos pag yung respondent is, yung sagot ko ay, wala, hindi ko na kinausap yung tao. Yes. Yung tatanungin mo, bakit ka hindi ko alam. Di ba nakaka-irita yun? So wala na, iniwan ko na lang. Bakit parang may Hindi ba dapat?
Okay. Ngayon naman, kay Sam, by the way, very great performance.
Thank you.
Ano ang sagot mo sa what was
Yes.
the worst alibi that you've ever heard in your life and how did you respond?
I actually don't know. I can't think of anything. I don't think I've been put in a situation where I've heard an alibi na parang, wala akong maisip actually. I'm so sorry. I know that's...
Okay lang.
Pero wala akong maisip eh.
Mag-sorry ka kay Jay of Certified.
Jay, I'm so sorry. Wala akong maisip ngayon. I'm so sorry, Jay. I feel like I haven't put in a position that, I'm so sorry.
Thank you so much. Gaya naman for Sophia, from Jay of Certified Kapamilya again. Alin sa tingin mo ang mas mahirap gawin? Ang gumawa ng alibi or hulihin ang lie behind the alibi? Wait, isa pa. Sorry. Para tayo na confused. Alin sa tingin mo ang mas mahirap gawin? Ang gumawa ng alibi or huliin ang lie behind the alibi? Tore ni Jay of Certified
Twister.
Mas mahirap siya.
Marami tayong naririnig.
Kasi nangalingan yun eh. Mararamdaman ng tao yun kapag nagsisinungaling ka. You'll feel it. I think for me, as a person, mas mahirap yung gumawa ng alibi.
Alright. Diba?
Wow.
Ang naging alay ng class na ito, diba?
Parang bugtong yun di ba? Tough questions. I mean, simple questions but tough to answer. But thank you, Kim, Sam, and Sophia for that. Ngayon naman, punta po tayo kay Mr. John Arcilia. Mula po sa social media. Just based on... It seems as if you'll be portraying another remarkable role. How is your character this time around? And what is it like? Please do elaborate to be paired with Miss Shasha for this show.
Well, I'm really very lucky kasi karaniwan napaka lawak nung character na binibigay sa akin. I'm so really thankful dahil na-assign sa akin yung mga ganun. Ang sarap niyang paglaruan. Tsaka at the same time, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin. Siguro, kapareho, mahaba ito eh. Ito na lang. Sobrang magmahal si Arthur Cabrera. And sobra siyang mag-protect sa kanyang family. And sabi ko nga, gagawin niya ang lahat para i-protect lahat ng mahal niya sa buhay. At yun ang kanyang naging tragic flaw. Yung mismo kanyang, yung kanyang lakas or yung strength niya, ang kanyang naging tragic flaw at the same time. Kasi napunta siya doon sa dark side dahil sa kanyang mga decisions to protect all his loved ones. Ang pinaka-core actually ng kaniyang character is yung pagmamahal niya sa wife niya. Na sobrang-sobra, gagawin niyang lahat. And then, nung magkaanak siya, naging extension niya ng sarili niya at saka ng kanyang relationship sa wife. Yung pagmamahal na yun. And gagawin niya ang lahat para i-protect sila. Doon nagsimula yung kanyang crisis. O yung kanyang pagbagsak. So yun siguro yung kaibahan niya dun sa ibang ginawa.
Maraming salamat, Sir John. Diba? Palakpakan naman natin ang nag-iisang John Arcilia.
And at saka actually, alam mo yung si Shasha kasi hindi. Ang sarap kasi niyang kasama sa eksena. Alam mo yung, she's naturally, look at her, naturally diva, di ba? Yung elegante. Pero napaka bubbly sa behind the scenes. Sobrang magkukwento lang lahat ng bagay na kaya niyang kwento. Hindi mo maiisip na si Yashi Padilla ganun kakalog, ganun ka lahat ng kukwento niya. So sobrang saya kasi yung rapport ninyo na tatrabaho na hindi niyo pinipilit, hindi puwersa. So nakakagaan ng loob para magawa niyo yung lahat ng requirements sa isang eksena na hindi niyo pinipilit yung isa't isa. So thank you for that also.
No, it's just really inspiring how hearing you talk about your co-actors and fangirl. Anyway, next question. It's a social media question to Sarmenta. Ang haligi ng ABS-CBN. Sir, ang tanong niyo po ay, you've already been a part of many successful projects. How is The Alibi different, and what made you say yes to this project?
Wala nga ako kanina. Joke. I always choose to work with people that I have worked with before, mixed with people I have not worked with before. Kasi syempre, di ba, lalo na pagka television series, you work long hours. You work for so long. And if you're not going to enjoy the work, if you're not going to be working with like-minded people, it's difficult. So when you get the chance to meet new people at work, and then still at the same time work with the people you've worked with before that you really enjoyed, bonus yun. The fact that people say na I've been around other projects that are so successful, it's also because of the people I work with. Diba? So, Dreamscape is there. I mean, the directors I have worked with before. Si Direk Onat kasama ko sa High Street. Si Direk Jojo, I've worked with her before also. Kim Pa, I've worked with them before. This is my second time working with them. And when I heard that it's them, sabi ko, tara, game. And then the others, you know, so it's a given. If you're working with the right people, you're working with people you can talk to, be comfortable with, and create with, sobrang dali ng trabaho, kahit mahirap siya.
Thank you, sir. Okay, ngayon naman po, pumunta naman po tayo to a question from Hannah Mallorca from Inquirer. Para naman po, I'll ask maybe Kim first. Make that pause, sorry. The Alibi is your most daring project so far. While it's clear na comfortable kayo sa isa't isa, meron pa ba kayong mga ilangan moments while filming? And can you share any unforgettable behind-the-scenes moment for Pao?
Oh, the question is for me?
Yes.
Yes, maraming ilangan moments because syempre when you enter a set as a professional actor and you have scenes na medyo delicate, syempre lagi mong iniisip rin yung co-actor mo or co-actress. Kung komportable ba sila, not just for Kim but also the others, with Sophia as well. Minsan, like yung napanood nyo kanina, yung sumasayaw si Stella, nakita nyo sa trailer, parang naiilang ka rin at natatakot ka para sa eksena mo at para sa sarili mo. Kung hindi naman, kung medyo intense, like yung mga scenes namin ni Sophia, natatakot ka rin kung nasasaktan mo ba sila dahil yun yung instruction ng director at yun yung nakasulat sa script. Siyempre, yun lagi yung kinakatakot ko at dun lagi ako naiilang. Kung along the way, dito sa proseso at sa pag-arte ko, kung na-alienate ko ba or nasasaktan ko or maybe nararamdaman pa ng ka-eksena ko na napapastos ko sila in some way. So, as much as possible, I try my best to talk to them first a bit or show them what I'm gonna do pero ayun, yun lagi yung kinakatakot ko. Doon ako naiilang palagi. And I'm sure pag naiilang ako, naiilang rin yung ka-eksena ko. So,
Thank you, Pao, for being candid about your experiences so far. Kim, baka anything to add?
Wala naman siguro hindi may ilang pag mga ganun. Parang kasi nungalingan, anong alibay mo? Sabihin mong hindi. Pero opo, nailang pa rin. Kahit na kami ni Pao pang-apat na project namin. Pero iba-iba kasi yung ginagawa namin. So, iba-ibang intensity. So, parang nakakahiya. Mukha lang kaming dalawa sa screen, pero napakadami po talaga namin. Parang ganito. So, parang ganun. Siyempre nakakailang, nakahiya. Pero, since professional ang bawat isa sa amin. So, diba no?
Follow-up question came from Hannah. Okay, so ito naman, another question for Kim. Grabe ang transition mo from your first role to The Alibi. Can we expect you to take more varying characters from you in the future?
Grabe. Mahalin niyo muna si Stella bago tayo tumalon sa iba. Please love #Stella. Nagpakaawa. Pero, iba-iba naman, dito naman sa mundo ng showbiz, ang daming characters na pwede mong i-play. It's up to you na lang kung paano mo siya gagampanan at depende na rin sa pagkakasulat at pagkakagawa.
Thank you, Kim. Aya?
Ngayon naman from Nika Sabio from Push ABS to Ms. Jaja Padilla. The question is, how do you feel returning, doing a TV project? How do you prepare and adjust for your role? Again, the question was from Nika Sabio of Push ABS-CBN.
Hi, Nika. Thank you for your wonderful question. Kano ba ako katagal na wala? Hindi ko naman Love Life. Ay, di. Meron din. Oo. So, nakaka-excite kasi pag sinabi pa lang sa'yo yung cast. Kay Kim pang third ko na to na, so talagang very comfortable na. Kay Pao first time. But working with actors that I get to be with, not only, kasi nag-aasap din kami, so ibang field. Tapos biglang ito artista ka, may mga characters kayo na nakaka-challenge talaga. And nasasiyahan ako kasi kay Direk Jojo nakatrabaho na siya pero yan, first time namin Direk Onmat. So very intense, iba yung masarap kasi ma-handle ng talagang magagaling na director. Dahil ako always open to learning. Yun palagi kong iniisip. Kailangan meron ka matutunan dito, meron ka ma-take home sa mga kasama mo. Iniisip ko palagi yung pati mga style nila pag-deliver, pinag-aaralan ko yun. Tinitignan ko sila, maganda yung ginagawa niya. Meron din akong takot, syempre, tungkol sa emotions, because acting is a lot of emotions, right? So, you really have to be there on the set. And joke ko nga sa family ko, sorry, hindi ako masyado, I'm not in touch with you, medyo may method ako ng konti. Kasi meron ako ditong pamilya. So, sila yung inaasikaso ko, sila yung... So, napakadali pala kapag nasa set ka, like we were in Cebu. It was easy to slip into your character. And we even say, oh, we miss Cebu when we see it. We miss our home, we miss, di ba? Ang bahay po namin ay isang resort actually. Ganun kami kayaman. Pag naiisip ko tong pamilyang to, and years from now, I will always treasure this memory. Kasi napaka-special po talaga.
Oh, thank you very much, Ms. Shasha. To you, Sam Milby, how was it like taking up this kind of role in The Alibi?
Very different para sa akin. This is the first time I'm doing a role na within the first week, wala na ako. But yun nga, pag-uusapan yung character ko until the end. And there's ang daming flashbacks. And ang daming revelations. It was such an interesting role to do. The backstory na malalaman nyo later on sa kwento, yung relationship with yung mga ibang cast members, the characters, ang daming revelations. So it's a great character, but it was really exciting. It was really fun to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. And now for Rafael, this is another comeback series in the Kapamilya Network. What do you like much in taking up this kind of role also in Alibi?
Thank you for that question. More than anything, I just want to say that I'm truly honored to be part of such a beautiful cast. And more than anything, every cast member was so good at slipping into their role na parang bilang artista or actor sa set, hindi mo na kailangan pumasok sa character kasi makikita mo silang lahat. Nagiging totoo na yung set eh. So with such amazing directors then giving such clear targets, thank you so much. Na this whole project para sa akin, it just became a walk in the park dahil parang nabuhay si Matthew Cabrera dahil sa mga actors sa paligid ko. So as a part, as a member of this cast, sobrang honored lang ako, super grateful, and the trust from Dreamscape and ABS-CBN, of course Prime Video, and all my cast members and my two directors. I really, really enjoyed this role. And I think in the coming episodes, you'll just see more fun from all the characters getting deeper and deeper talaga.
Thank you so much. Mix, parang nakakatakot palang mag-step sa set. Kasi coming into life daw eh. So kung sino man yung killer,
Yun na yun.
medyo
Oo,
yung script ko.
Oo, gripping as we always say. Okay, yun naman po, this is for Robbie and Angelina. I'll start off first with Angelina. Ito pong question is from Jeff Oligar TV. Hello. Considering that this is your acting or teleserye debut, how are you excited to work with some, actually, of course, one of the best, some of the best in this industry, and to be part of this big project?
Honestly, this project has been such a fulfilling experience. I'm very grateful to have worked with Kim Pao, especially that Ate Kim already worked with my mom before. When they worked with that project, they worked together in that project, she wouldn't stop talking about Ate Kim. She loved Ate Kim! And I was like, oh, the moment I worked with her, I now get it. It's a very full circle moment because she's so easy to work with. Napakagaan po yung aura ng set at ng cast. Everyone's very patient, and every single day I learn something new. So sobrang grateful din ako sa Dreamscape, sa Prime bosses, ABS-CBN bosses for this opportunity and for the trust. I feel like almost every cast here, my family has worked with. So this project has been like a very full circle moment for me, especially with Robbie, my scene partner, because my dad has worked with his mom in plenty of movies, and they were tandems also. So.
Thank you, Angelina. Robbie?
Same question?
Yes.
Well, yun nga, you mentioned that this is our teleserye debut. And a fun fact for everyone actually, the first scene I ever took with Kuya Pao was the first scene I took as an actor in my life. So, sobra talaga akong kinabahan. I mean, as you guys can imagine, right? I was in front of Kuya Pao, and in my head, I'm like, oh my goodness, it's Paolo Avellino in front of me, with all the lights and the camera, and I was so nervous, but at the same time, as a fresh actor, I feel so incredibly blessed because during the lock-in cycles, we got to establish certain dynamics, relationships with each cast member. I felt so privileged na, halimbawa, magkakaroon kami ng medyo mahabang kwento session with Sir John. Tapos, before I know it, I'm being given such, valuable wisdom, such Easter eggs of information and knowledge about acting that I'll surely carry on for the rest of my life. So thank you for that. And of course, with Angelina, it was a very intimidating experience, but dahil magkasama kami ni Angelina, even from workshops, lagi po kaming magkasama sa mga eksena. Having a buddy there, someone beside me, is really helpful and made me much more comfortable. So, yeah.
Thank you, Angelina and Robbie.
Yeah, can I just say, I just saw the trailer. Teaser pa lang, their chemistry is undeniable. Last question from Joen Madrazo from Davao Digital Creators. Practice lang pala yun. Pasensya na po kayo. Ang ating huling katanungan pala ay shoutout na lang kay Joen Madrazo from Davao Digital Creators. Thank you very much for your question. But ang ating huling katanungan ay galing kay Alan Sancon from Stars Photo. Ang kanyang tanong ay para kay Kim. Ang tanong ay, may times ba na nag-alibay ka na kay Paolo? Sorry.
I think babalik kayo kay Davao Digital Creators. Anong tanong niya?
Sorry.
Mas maganda ata doon.
Tagabasa lang talaga ako. So, ang kanyang tanong ay, may times ba raw na nag-alibay ka raw na kay Paolo dahil sa isang situation? Same question with Paolo. Nag-alibay ka na ba kay Kim? Tapos all caps, please share the situation? Question mark. Double question mark. So again, may times ba na nag-alibay ka na kay Paolo dahil sa isang situation? Same question with Paolo, nag-alibay ka na ba kay Kim? All caps, please share the situation. Double question mark. From Alan Sancon. Hindi po sa akin. Salamat.
Alibay? Actually, mababaw lang naman ang mga namin ni Pao. Kasi, mahilig kasi ako sa chichirya. Tapos, yung mga damit ko kasi dito, midrib, Kita Chan. Tapos, minsan, binibreakfast ko yung chichirya. Babaw, no? Pero, siya kasi, sabi niya, laki ng tiyan mo. Baka chichirya mo yan eh. So, minsan, parang nagka-crave ako ng chichirya, so nag-alibay ako. Sabi ko, hindi ako kumain, hindi ako chichirya. Pero may nakatabi dun sa gilid. Ano to? Ha? Huli! Ganun lang kasimple. As in, hindi yan sa akin. Hindi Pero sa akin talaga, kasi merong mga cramps sa kuko ko eh. Ganun lang.
Tsaka pag late ka, ang dami mong alibay.
Oo eh! Pag-usapan natin!
Sa akin naman, ako, wala eh. Ako wala akong inaalibay kay Kim kasi puro katotohanan ang sinasabi.
Hello! Thank you po! Please just watch November 7.
Whether it's in a good way or kamalian ko, di ba? Parang sasabihin ko naman kung mali ako.
Maraming salamat. Kim Pao, isang hiyawan naman para sa Kim Pao. Diba? Ngayon na lang natin sila nakita ng ganito. At syempre, yung iba rin natin kasama sa cast. And before we wrap up,
Yes, alright, so before we wrap up, Aya, let's hear from the stars who brought the Alibi's biggest twists and emotions to life. So please welcome. So we invite Kim and Pao to share their final message and invitation to everyone.
I can't thank everyone enough. Project after project, from Linlang to Sec Kim to What's Wrong with I to ano yung pelikula? My Love Will Make You Disappear. At ito, I can't thank everyone for your support, to everyone supporting us, not just here in the Philippines, globally, and also to our friends from the press. Maraming salamat. Walang humpay po yung tulong na ginagawa nyo. At kundi ho dahil sa inyo, hindi ho kami patuloy nabibigyan ng proyekto at bibigyan ng mga karakter at storya na maikukwento namin sa inyo. So maraming salamat.
Yes, sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, maraming salamat po sa inyo. I hope we can spread the word kung ano po ang laman ng The Alibi. At ayan nga po, mag-download na ng Prime Video app dahil doon lamang po ito mapapanood. Simula na po yun this November 7, 2 episodes every Friday po yan. So thank you so much sa lahat ng mga supporters namin na nanonood ngayon online. Sa lahat ng mga nandito, thank you very much for all your effort, for all the love, for all the support. Nababasa po namin lahat yun, kaya maraming salamat. And sa mga bagong mga manonood and bagong susuporta sa amin ni Pao, panoorin niyo po itong The Alibi. It's not just me and Paolo. Ito pong lahat yun. Parang nagsama-sama po ang iba't ibang klaseng talento para magkaroon po ng masterpiece na The Alibi from Dreamscape Entertainment. Thank you so much, everyone. We're very grateful and happy and excited na mapanood din.
Maraming salamat, of course, Kim and Pao. And of course, thank you din po sa ating friends from the media. Pasensya na po. Nawala na po tayo ng time para po tanungin ang lahat ng mga katanungan natin. Shoutout na lang po kina Carl June Canonoy from Kapatid Insider, Chris O. Ramos Jr. from One Music, Bianca Abrencillo from Interaction, si Davao Digital Creators Joey Madrazo, and Lance Joseph Martinez from Metro Style. So once again, palakpakan po natin. Let's invite for a photo-op. Palakpakan po natin Robbie Jaworski, Angelina Cruz, Rodrick Sarmenta, Sofia Andres, Sam Bilby, Miss Danica Domingo, Direx, Jojo Sagin, Direk Onat Diaz, Rafael Rosel, Miss Jaja Padilla, Mr. John Ercilia, Kim Chu, and of course, Paolo Avellino.
don't forget to post, share, and spread the word using the hashtag The Alibi on Prime. Huge thank you to ABS-CBN Studios, Dreamscape Entertainment, and Prime Video for making this world-class Filipino series possible. Now you can take the photos of our powerhouse cast. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, The Alibi.
Okay, sige. Thank you.
Mula sa cast hanggang sa kwento, papanoorin ko talaga to, premiering this November 7 on Prime Video. Once again, download the app and you will witness episode each week.
And that concludes our advanced screening and our media-con of The Alibi Muli. Ako po si Mix.
And this has been Aya Fernandez.
And of course, this has been the Grand Media-Con of The Alibi. Ingat po, good evening.